Welcome everyone, I'm John. This is the crypto channel of John and let's dive straight in. Today I'm gonna talk about how to buy player bull because I had some comments and somebody asked where to store it and how to buy it really because it does not show that easily it seems. But I'm gonna show you straight away and how really to set it up and where and how to store it safely so that you can buy it and yeah, before they are getting on to Nexus, because this game is getting released very soon. If you want to join the player or the beta team, you can at this point. You're available to join the beta team now, so you can enter your email address here and to start looking at it. So this is Nexus. I'm gonna show you a small movie about Nexus because this is also beautiful to see if somebody never have seen this. So you have a few guns. I'll put the music a bit less hard because I don't know if YouTube will allow me to put music on. Sometimes it does not because it's not my original, but look at this, how this is. For me this looks beautiful. First person shooter. Where you have to defend some stuff that you can do. Oh, this look at this. For me the graphics are even beautiful also. It looks a bit like Quake I used to play. I like some kind of spacey dudes that are in
If
suits.
you just stand still, I'm like the best player on the team.
Kill this guy with one shot. I like you might just not play the game again.
You can play in teams also and upgrade your guys and make sure that your guys are a bit tougher when the weapons are combined with each other and everything. So yeah, this looks a promising game. So if you're interested in the beta team, you can now register for it and that you can start testing it. I must say enjoy it if you're trying to do this because this is one of the beautiful games that really are into it. So it's a 5-to-5 third person shooter, so that's really nice. It's a bit like oh my god, COD that I love to play. That I used to love to play on PlayStation. I played hours and hours, especially the zombie part. But yeah, that was before a few years. That was a few years ago. But now I'm gonna talk about how to buy and store this token because yeah, if you're new to it, instructions. Look, I'm right now on the website. I'll leave a link down below how to get to the website. So if you're on the website, here you can find guided player Joe. You can buy it on Bitmart. Also, you can buy it straight from here. But first of all, you can go here to the details. And here you get instructions how to add it to MetaMasks. So manual connecting to MetaMask, connecting to the mainnet, because it's important. And here they also said if you do it on Trader Joe, you will get V3O, that's normal. So first of all, connecting it to MetaMask. So here you have everything that's on that you need to copy paste. So I'll show you what you have to do. You open your MetaMask. You want to import a new this is now here. Add a new network. You want to press here. So these are the networks I can still add. At this point you just press add to do it. But we need to add a manually one. So add a network manually. You can see it here. You press on it and then you get this tab. So now I'm gonna make two screens so that I can just copy paste because I want to make sure everything is correctly. So you just copy this and you place it in here. Second one, you want to copy this one. Link address copying. You place it in here. Yeah, you have to press right because it does not allow you to overgo it. I've done this before, so that's why I know it. Then this is the chain idea. You copy it, you paste it. Why do we copy and paste? Because then you are sure that you have that everything is correctly filled in. Here the same, copy the link address, and this is the explorer. So then you just have to press, I do not know if this one is behind here, we will see. So now voila, you have added the mainnet of playabull to your metamask wallet. Now you can just send tokens to here. This is the receiving address. You can just press it and you can send your tokens to here. The second thing you can do is on the Avalanche chain. So I will go back to Avalanche chain now. And then you have to buy it straight off the website. You can go here to the website, go a bit down, buy on Trader Joe. Trader Joe is quite cheap to do bargains with, so you can just do it. It does not seem to be... Oh, I did not connect my metamask yet on this one. Maybe it's that why. Refresh the page. Will I get the token? Let's retry this one. It seems that I'm not getting the token. But then you have to add 3 ul normally. See, if you type it in, v3 ul, you will get it straight away here. Type wrapped 3 ul because this is the coin at this point. Then you just can point like, let me buy just 0.1, 0.06. You will get 500 tokens from it. And then you just press swap. Your MetaMask will pop open at that point. And then they will say, okay, do you want to buy it? And the total exchanging is 8 cents to do a swap. So the gas fee is quite cheap on Avalanche. So you can just do it here. You don't need to go to an exchange if you have AVAX, of course, on your wallet. Then you just press swapping. So now the swap is completed. I will press this button below here, so add v3 ul to your wallet. Then you have to open your MetaMask again, accept, and it will stand under here now that I have $0.84 bought of v3 ul. So this is now a wrapped version that you have. If you want to put it into your wallet straight away, you can do that too, but then you have to go back to the website. If you are in the website, so I went on the main page now. Normally you should open the app, if I'm correctly. This is the first time I'm going on with this MetaMask, so, and if I'm correctly, let me take a look. Extras, connecting MetaMask. So it's the first time I had to connect, that's why. Then you will pop open, you will have to connect your MetaMask, you have to agree that you want to connect to your MetaMasks. So I think that was it. And then just refresh it one time. I think I'm not on the right sign. Okay, sign. Seems that I have to sign twice. Okay, now I'm in. So then you can see that I have now my bulls already here. So you can see I did not swap it yet, and you can already see that they are in my wallet. So that's good. You get the explosion note, welcomes note that you get into it. But normally you can swap them somewhere too. Let me take a look where it was again. Ah, here it is. Okay, so I did not find it straight away, but now I'm in. It is this button that you have to press, so you can bridge it over from one place to the other. So I can go to Avalanche, and then I can just press maximum, and you can bridge the tokens to your playabull wallet if you want to. The bridge fee costs some AVAX also, so if you want to do this, this costs a small amount of AVAX. And this is how you can then bridge from AVAX to the chain of player3ul. just by pressing this. And this will open again, metamask. You will have to approve metamask, around 2 cents this is that you have to pay with gas fee to make sure that you are accepting this, and then it will just be bridged. I will not accept this at this point. I just want to keep them on Avalanche. For me, that's okay. So I hope you guys learned something today. I hope you guys are already into player rule. This one has done some nice gainings, and it will still have some very beautiful gaming, especially after the launch of Nexus, because then people will start getting interested into it, especially because of the games that are releasing onto it, because this is the main thing that we are really into. If you are a gamer, and that's why you guys are following me, I also hope because I just love the game just as much as you guys. So I hope you guys learned something, and that you are now able to store your player tree coins on a safe base, and make sure that your coins are not on exchanges, people, so that you always keep them safe, because it's necessary to be able to hold your own keys and your own coins, so that you're always 100% in control of your own coins. Be safe, do good. It's only crypto, guys. Enjoy life more and keep smiling, of course. Ciao.